Yes, good afternoon, students. Today we're going to start with the introduction to computerized accounting. What computerized accounting is? What do you mean by computerized accounting? In simple layman's language, when you're doing our accounts, we're preparing our book of accounts with the help of computer. That is known as a computerized accounting. It tends to involve dedicated accounting software and digital spreadsheet to keep track of a business or client's financial transactions. Basically, it is a very beneficial use of current technological advances. It not only has to revolutionize the traditional paper methods of accounting, but also it has created new types of accounting applications for business. Companies now create entire accounting information system that integrate all business operations, including external suppliers and vendors in the value chain. Computerized accounting system, or a software we can say, have replaced manual-based accounting system in virtually all business and organizations, providing accountants, managers, employees, stakeholders access to vital accounting information at the touch of a button. With single click, we can just grab our book of accounts, we can just take the results, we can just take the balance sheet of our book of accounts, right? Computerized accounting system automate the accounting process, improving efficiency and cutting down cost. Computerized accounting has many advantages over traditional manual accounting system. Less use of paper is being done. We are not bearing too much of cost while preparing the book of accounts, right? We are not going into hassle of preparing a lot of data and remembering those data and all in so that we can just retrieve in future. It's not like that. Computerized accounting tends to be more accurate. It's faster to use and is less subject to error than its manual counterpart. We are having the traditional manual system of accounting. You are having a look on the screen. First of all, there is some data and instructions. Then the manual processing of the data can be done. And after that, when the processing of the data has been done, we will get the information, the real data that we're going to do, on which we are going to do some information. How we can process the computerized accounting system? Here is the process procedure. Data and instruction system. We are going to take the checks, receipts, debit notes, credit notes, and what we are going to prepare. We are going to make the data of all these important papers. And after that, we are going to do the electronic processes through the computer with the help of software. These informations, these important documents are being processed through computer. After preparing, after processing, we will get what we will get in our hand. We will get profit and loss account and balance sheet. But here are some features of computerized accounting. It's very fast, powerful, simple, and integrated. Complete visibility is there. We are not going to take the a lot of books together and just have a look on each and every paper so that we can tell your account that is it correct or not. We're just going to visible. We are going to make complete visibility of the data with the help of software. It's completely accurate. Speed is more than enough that you can grab the data in a single go. Scalability is there. Power, strong power that the software can prepare data of a huge amount, improve business performance, quick decision making, and complete reliability. Here's the difference between manual accounting system and computerized accounting system. In manual system, we're going to record the data in the book of accounts, right? In computerized accounting system, with the help of software, we are going to add the data with the help of software. Data can be entered. After data entering, the data can be classified and processed in a single go with a single click. There is a huge amount of storage is there in the software. We're going to prepare exotic reports. We can say why I'm using the word exotic because these reports are very much correct. Okay. All right. Accurate, less paperwork is there. Codification of data can be done easily with the single click of the mouse. Data can be easily shared with the help of internet service. Adjusting entries can be done by just going or grabbing the data from other books with the help of server, with the help of internet. What are the basic advantages of computerized accounting? Codification is possible. Easily, we can control the data. Universal application, easy to process voluminous data. Voluminous data means it's when we are having huge amount of data, we need not to worry about go through the single point one by one, step by step, and after that we are going to consider with the help of software, we can just go through the data by just annotating it. Here are some disadvantages of computerized accounting. Needs heavy investment. There's a problem of security. Loss of data is there. If the power goes off, then definitely the data is not, it has not been saved, then definitely your data will not, you cannot retrieve the data in future. It is an artificial device. If the person is not having any kind of knowledge regarding the software, he or she cannot feed the data in the software in a right manner. So definitely there's a problem of duplicacy, artificialness. It can be manipulation, not suitable for small firms, requires training on part of accountants. Here are some steps in computerized financial accounting system. First of all, we have to plan and open accounting system in the software. We have to enter the data. We have to assign some codes to the data. Bank reconciliation statement is a statement that is used for checking the error in the document or the book of accounts. Now we are going to post our transactions. This application of transaction can be done after preparing the ledgers. The third step is to prepare the trial balance, that our debit or credit balance are matching or not, to get matched or not. And after that, we are going to finalize our book of accounts. Here are some advantages. Computerized accounting system has a lot of memory. It can record, store large amount of data in it. Recording, it is easy to record and process with the data in case of computerized system. It's very much flexible, right? Information provided the computer system is believed to be more accurate, reason being the chances of mistakes are being less in it. We are not going to think about the accuracy problem that we are going to face in it. There's no such kind of problem that the software will let us to face. We have to be very much focused while adding the data. That's the case. Here are some components of computerized financial accounting system. What are those main components? First one is journal ledger program, account payable program, account receivable, payroll. These are some programs through which the software is being used. There is example of these three versions: professional, complete, premium, quantum, right? Where they are providing you the system with the basis of the professionalism. In this technical know-how, we are going to prepare the database when you're going to enter the data, and after that, we have to add the antivirus in it. It's compatible with the Windows operating system or not. If not compatible, then that software will not be operable in your PC. Accounting software improves accuracy, efficiency using GAAP. Why using GAAP? Because we are preparing the book of accounts. Increase the income, flexibility is there. We are going to collaborate one book of account with another company's book of account. Reduction of cost is there. Security and redundancy is completely there. Backups, we can maintain our backups and it can be retrieved in future in case there is a need of it. First of all, what you have to do is, in case of Peachtree accounting, I'm giving you the example of Peachtree accounting software. In this, we have to open an existing company if you have already prepared. Otherwise, you have to set up a new company, learn about the software, explore a sample company, and convert the QuickBook company to Peachtree accounting. Right? There is a view of it. There's a dialog box of that Peachtree accounting software. First dialog screen. Title bar is there, window menu is there, main menu bar is there, there's navigation aids, stating where we're going to work and borders and all. Company setup, one of the things you will want to do when you receive a Peachtree accounting package, set up your company, get this thing started. Please requires any company setup design set. I'm just sharing the information regarding the Peachtree accounting system, giving you an example that how this software works. First of all, you have to install the setup of that particular accounting software. Just after installing it, just single click on the software icon. Your wizard, your company, your setup will open, right? After this, you have to create a new company, or either you have to select a company already prepared. To complete new company setup, select the finish button. Please choose the setup checklist. Start entering with following special record data such as employee, vendor, custom records, and beginning balances. Set up a new company. Here's a procedure for it. Start Peachtree. From the file menu, select new company or choose set up a new company in the Peachtree accounting starter window. Select OK. Read the introductory information. If you are not going to read any introductory information, then definitely you will commit a fault. Peachtree displays any company setup, company information. We are going to fill it to it. There is a procedure for this. Complete how you have to set up any company in this software. that's it for today. Thank you so much, students. I hope you have understand the topic.